everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is an unboxing of my Black Friday sales hauls. It's kind of late because I was waiting on another package to come in, and I wanted to make sure I had everything that I had ordered to come in together so I can unbox everything together. So we're going to get to opening these boxes. Okay, the first box that I'm going to open is from Sigma. And Sigma was having a 30% to 40% off sale. Man, they really did this box up tight. There were a few brushes that I wanted, and they had some of their sets on sale. First off in here is their Sigma brochure that shows all the different brushes. All their eye brushes here, face brushes here, their brush sets that they have, and then their brush care and accessories. So like your brush cleaners, your soaps, and then there's this brush holder case. So they have three. One is like a booklet, and then the other cases. So okay, and let's see. Alright. Here. So alright, and then I got a brush, soap. So what I got from Sigma was, I basically got brushes. I picked up some that I didn't get when I was at IMATS that I had been eyeing. And since the sale was really good, I was like, I might as well just get all the ones that I didn't, and then I'm done. I have enough Sigma brushes. I picked up the Powder Sweep F06. I picked up the F61 Angled Cream Contour. And these were brushes that I saw when I was at IMATS. Okay, and then I got the Big Fan, the F90. E56, it's a shader brush. E16 tight liner. E56 shader lid. B12 bent liner. E46, what is this? Shade liner. Oh, shader inner corner. So that's like in here. This is the soft focus shader, the is that E52? Yeah, E52. C. And I got this one in copper because this one was on sale. So when you went to the site, they had like the different ones that some of them had like two colors, like this one. Some of them I wanted in copper and they were sold out, so I was only able to get them in the black. So that's why I have some copper and a regular. Let's see. F75 concealer. E55 eye shading. E50 large fluff. E39 Buff and Blend, E34 Domed Utility, E45 Small Tapered Blending, E25 blending brush. I don't know if you can see that one. Let's see, F70 concealer brush. Can't have too many concealer brushes. And the F05 small contour. Now that's a big brush for it to say that it's a small contour. It's a big contour. E37 all over blend brush. This one is the E17 waterline liner. And the last brush is the F65 large concealer. So I was really happy with the brushes that I got at IMATS from Sigma, so I figured I'd order some more of their brush. They didn't put my receipt in here, so I could tell you, you know, what the prices of the brushes were. Alright, this box here doesn't have it. I believe this is Melt. I did order some things from Melt. This card came with this card, and it says, "We've married a blush and highlight to create a perfect hybrid multi-use brush light." And I saw those after I had placed my order. Now, I do love their stack sets. I'm like, I have every one, and the very last one I had been trying to get, well, when it first came out, I wasn't able to get it. It has sold out, and it is the baby girl. I really wanted this, and look at the packaging. I think that is so cute. Stacks with the mirrors, and I'll show you the colors. And the first color, oh, the color is so gorgeous, is Hopeless Romantic. I don't know if it's translating on camera. The next color is Scamming. Main Squeeze. You can hear them. I'm stacking them back together, and you can hear them like clicking. These magnets are pretty tight, which is a good thing. This color is Crush. And the last color is Breakup. And like I said, I do have all of their stacks. Let me see. I think I want to swatch this one. It's like a rose gold. It's not translating on camera. I just want to swatch that. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it's like a rose gold. It's very pretty. And then I picked up another highlighter, and this one is in Gold Ore. I got Nova when I was at IMATS, and I really, really like it. And I was like, I could have killed myself that I didn't get it then. So I got it this time. I picked up two more of their Pro stack palettes. I did order one before, and I liked it, and I said I can just, instead of keeping them, you know, in the boxes, I like to keep them in the boxes so that I can see what they are. But I figured I could get these and put them in the Pro palette, and it says Milk Cosmetics here. I'll show you what they look like if I can. My strength ain't. Well, dang. If I can get it open. Okay. My strength isn't there. So you have 8 pans on each side, and it comes with the, a board in the middle so that when you put them together they don't touch. So that's 16 pans that you could travel with. I already have one, and I was like, oh man, I should have got another ones. And these were only, for the sale, they were only $10. I remember that. That's why I got 2. Alright, y'all, the last 2 boxes I have are from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to let you know why I have 2 boxes. From a previous haul, you saw where I had went to Ulta, and they had Juvia's Place there, and they had some of their palettes on sale. They didn't have all the palettes there. So the first box is from their, Juvia's Place had a sale on their site. So the palettes that I didn't get at Ulta that I wanted, I went to the website to order. And they were cheaper on the Juvia's Place site, website. And their website, I think their palettes were like 45% off everywhere. So these are the palettes that I picked up. I picked up the Saharan blush palette, number 1. I got the number 2 at Ulta. I picked up the Afrique palette. I picked up the Saharan 2 eyeshadow palette. And I got the Magic Mini palette. I was looking for them when I went to IMAX. I'm not new to knowing about Juvia's Place. I'm just new to getting their palettes, and I wanted to see them in person. Let's see. This color, that purple, is pretty. I think I want to, what is that? Fazo. I'll swatch that. Oh, okay. It's that Fazo there. That color is interesting. I was trying to get the 2 Warrior palettes. They were both sold out. So it wasn't like I could get either one, and I was like, oh, I'll just get one and call it a day. After I had placed my order, might have been a day or so later, I got a notification that the 2 Warrior palettes were back in stock. I picked those 2 up. So I got the Warrior 1 and the Warrior 2. I mean, I couldn't pass them up because, like I said, some of the palettes were just $10. Alright, everybody, that's it for my Black Friday haul. This year, I didn't really get too much. I didn't really see anything that really excited me. There were a lot of releases out, and nothing really caught my eye. I really wanted some Juvia's Place palettes, so I got those. I missed out on those at IMAX because they weren't there. I picked up some more Sigma brushes because the ones that I got at IMAX I really liked, so I figured why not get some more to add to my collection. And I did want the baby girl stack from Melt Cosmetics. Now these are probably the last things that I'll purchase for the rest of the year. No, I take that back. There's one more thing that I want this year, and I'll leave it up here, and you can go watch that video to see what it is. And with that being said, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. Thanks, and I'll see you soon. Bye.